We are excited to show you a game changer for the Holley Pro Dash. Introducing MF Custom's Digital Dash Plug and Play. This adapter was designed to drop your install time down to just a few easy minutes. Today we're going to show you just how easy it is. So now we'll go over everything that's included. You will get our plug and play adapter and our harness. This is a Pro Dash, not included. So our harness here is just 6 to 8 inches long, and then you have your CAN bus connections that's already split for you. So you just plug this into your existing CAN connection with Holley. This will plug into your Pro Dash. This plugs into your adapter. The adapter, we provide you power, ground, 12-volt switch. We also provide left and right hand turn signals already preset, your high beams, your parking brake, along with your fuel level. Another thing we have done is, due to how Ford's alternator charging system works, we have the Excite resistor already built in, so you don't even have to worry about your alternator not charging correctly. Now let's get to the install. All right, so here we're going to install our plug and play setup for the 1994 to 98 Ford Mustang, so you can go to a Holley Pro Dash. Typically, disconnect one, disconnect the other. Now our factory dash is out. We take our plug and play. White will go on the right side. Black will go on the left side. MF Customs at the bottom. And then we use our harness. Plug our harness in. Run our CAN wires down. And then we're going to use the Holley 6.86 screen. We are using a dash mount by Corey over at Car Change 3D. He makes a bunch of different screen mounts. And then our connector will plug into the back of the Pro Dash. Run the CAN over to our CAN connection, which is just on a, if you're using our plug and play, we have one here at the ECU and one up underneath the dash. If you're using the Holley wiring, it's going to be most likely up under the dash. But now, you should be able to just power your car on, give it a minute, and you have your Pro Dash ready to go. It's easy as that.